Hello and welcome to Link Juices. In this video we'll be showing you how to group your design in Canva. What is grouping in Canva? Grouping means selecting more than one element and moving them at the same time instead of one by one. You need to know what elements you want to group together to move, then hold down the left click on your mouse, and drag over what elements you want to select. Once you have done this, you'll see everything selected highlighted in a purple box. To move the elements to your desired area on your design, you then hold down the left click on your mouse and drag the elements to where you wish to place them on your Canva design. I hope this helps you with your designs on Canva. If you have been thinking to make the switch to Canva Pro for more elements to use on your designs, help support our channel and use our affiliate link to Canva in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching.